Welcome back to 63rd. This video lecture we discuss easy way to score at least 72 probability and statistics. Let's see unit wise important sections in probability and statistics. So unit 1, one dimensional random variable. So in this section we will expect only 1 8 mark. So if you prepare two sections, compulsory you will get 1 8 mark. Okay, so first 8 mark is probability mass function, the probability cumulative distribution function for both discrete and continuous random variable. Okay, so if you prepare these two sections, compulsory you will write 1 8 mark. Okay, coming to second unit name is a two-dimensional random variable. So here you prepare one section for both discrete and continuous random variable. So this unit we will expect direct 16 mark. So section name is problem based on joint, marginal and conditional probability function for both discrete and continuous random variable. Okay, coming to unit 3. Unit 3 name is testing of hypothesis. So this section there are only two sections. So each section they will ask 1 8 mark. Okay, so problem based on F test. So we will expect 1 8 mark. And second section is problem based on chi-square test, goodness of fit and attributions. Okay, if you prepare these two sections, compulsory we will get next 16 mark. Okay, so coming to unit 4. Unit 4 name is design of experiments, right? So this section we will expect direct 16 mark. So you prepare only ANOVA 1 and ANOVA 2, which means problem based on either 1 and ANOVA 2. Okay, coming to last unit. So unit 5 name is statistical quality control. So here you prepare two chart. If you prepare two chart, compulsory you will get a 16 mark. That means problem based on X bar chart and R chart. So if you prepare these 7 sections, compulsory you will get 72 marks, and also you will get what 2 marks also. Okay, so what is our target? So easy way to score at least 7 marks. Okay, in probability statistics. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.